Hello everyone, welcome to Shriram Academy. This is Kritika. This is session 4 of level 5. In the previous session, we have learnt how to divide a 4-digit number by 2-digit number. In this session, we are going to learn 5-digit by 2-digit and also 3-digit number. Since we are going to handle higher degrees of division, you need to observe keenly throughout the session. Let's get into the class. Now we are going to do 5 division problems. The first 2 problems will be 5 digit divided by double digits, and then the remaining 3 sums will be 5 digits divided by 3 digit. First sum 18,404 divided by 86. Now we'll find out where to set the dividend in Abacus. 5 digits are there in the dividend, so 5. Minus number of digits in the divisor is 2, minus 2. Minus 1 is the common rule, so we have to set the dividend in the second rod. This is the unit rod, this is the second rod. Here only we are going to set the dividend. 18,404. First, the first dividend is 184 we'll take. Whereas 18 is lesser, so we are going to take the 3 digits as the first dividend. So what should we do? 184 divided by 86 is the first step. So to arrive at the answer shortly, we should divide 18 by 8. Obviously 2 times. So we should do 86 into 2. Answer is 16 and 12. 16 and 12. Answer is 172. From here, jump 2 rods because the divisor is double digits. From here, jump 2 rods. 2 times of 86 is 172. We have to do the minus 172. Now the next dividend is 120. We should divide 12 by 8 mentally only one time. One time of 86 is 86. So from here, jump 2 rods, set 1 here. We have to do minus 86 here. Minus 80. Minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. Our remainder is 34. So what we did is right because the remainder is lesser than the divisor. Okay, the next dividend is 344. 344 divided by 86. So we have to divide mentally 34 by 8. We'll be getting 4 times. 4 times of 8 is 32. So 86 into 4 we should do here. 8 4s are 32. 6 4s are 24. The answer is 344. We got the answer. So from here jump 2 rods. 4 times is 344. We have to do minus 344. Our quotient is 214. Next sum. 38,661. From the second rod, I am going to place the dividend. 38,661. Like the previous sum, we have to check the dividend. First, we can't take 38 alone. Our first dividend is 386. 386 divided by 49 is the first step. So divide 38 by 4. 9 times we will be getting. 9 of 49 is 36 and 81. 81. So our answer is 441. 441 is greater than 386. So we should try for 8 times. 8 times of 49 is 32 and 72. 392 is also greater. So we should try for 7 times. 7 times of 49 is 4 7s are 28. 9 7s are 63. 63. Our answer is 343. We can take this answer from here. Jump 2 rods. 7 times we have to set here. We have to do minus 343. Minus 300 and minus 40 minus 3 I should do here. So that check the remainder. The remainder is 43. So our answer is right. we have the next dividend is 436. 436 divided by 49. So we can divide 43 by 4. 10 times we can't apply. So we should try for 9 times. So 9 times of first 4 nines are 36. 9 nines are 81. 441 we can't take. So we should try for 8 times. 49 into 8. 4 eights are 32. 9 eights are 72. 392. From here, jump 2 rods. 8 times 390 for 2 plus 3 minus 5. 441. So divide 44 by 4. We will be getting 9 times. 10 times won't come. So 49 into 9. We should try here. 4 nines are 36. 9 nines are 81. 81. 441. Here also we have 441. From here jump 2 rows. 9 times of 49 is 441. We have to do minus 441. Our answer is 789. Next sum. Now from third sum onwards we will be having the divisor is 3 digits. 5 digit minus number of digits in the divisor is 3, minus 3, minus 1 is common rule. So we have to set the dividend in the first rod. This is the first rod. So I am setting the dividend here. 25,648. Now we have to take the first dividend. So 256 is lesser than 458. So our first dividend will be 2564. So 2564. Now we can do mentally 25 by 4. See here. 25648 divided by 458. So when we take the first digit and the first 2 digit of the dividend, and when we do the calculation mentally, we'll be getting 6 times. So our quotient may be 6. So what should you do? 458 into 6 we should do. We can try out this in Abacus. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. 30. 8 6 are 48. So our answer is 2748. But we have 2564. So 6 times won't come. So we can try for 5 times. 5 times is 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 8 5s are 40. 2290. We can take. So this is the last, since we have taken these 4 digits as the first dividend. From here we should jump 3 rods because our divisor is triple digit. From here jump 1 2 3 rods. We have to set 5, the quotient here. 5 times of 458 is 2290. We have to do from here minus 2000 minus 200 minus 90 here. Minus 90. We got the remainder. Check the remainder. This is lesser than the divisor. So what we did is right. So the next dividend is 2748. 2748. We should divide this number by 458. Divide first 2 digit by the first digit of the divisor. So we can do for 6 times. 6 4s are 24 is the nearest quotient. So 458 into 6. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. 30. 8 6 are 48. 2748. 2748. We arrived at the quotient. From here, jump 1, 2, 3 rods. 6 times of 458 is 2748. Minus 2748. Answer is 56. Fourth sum, 16,399 divided by 713. 5 digits in the dividend, minus 3 digits in the divisor, again minus 1. First rod only we are going to set the dividend. 16,399. 99 divided by 713. We have to check whether we can divide 163 by 713. We can't divide. So our first dividend will be 1639 divided by 713. This is the first step. To find the answer quickly, divide 16 by 7 mentally. You will be getting 2 times. So you should try 713 into 2. The answer is 7 2s are 14, 1 2s are 0 2, 3 2s are 0 6. Answer is 1436. We can set. This is the last digit of the dividend. From here, we have to jump 3 rods because our divisor is 3 digit. From here, jump 3 rods. We have to set the quotient here. 2 times of 713 is 1426. So we have to do the minus from here. Minus 1, minus 400, minus 2, minus 6 here. So check the remainder. Remainder is 213. So what we did is right. So we have to take the last digit also as the next dividend. So divide 21 by 7 because see here 2139 is the next dividend. So we have to divide this number by 713. To arrive at the answer quickly, divide 21 by 7, so 3 times. So you should try 713 into 3. Our answer should be 7 3s are 21, 1 into 3, 0 3, 3 3s are 0 9. So the answer is 2139. So we got the answer 2139. From here, jump 3 rods, set the quotient here. 3 times of 713 is 2139. Minus 2139. Answer is 23. Fifth sum, 31,140. Like the previous sum, we are going to set the dividend in the unit rod only. 31,140. We have 0 here. Now, the first dividend will be first 4 digit 3114. When we take the first 3 digits, we can't divide. So 33114 is the first dividend. You should divide 31 by 6 mentally. We'll be getting 5 times. We can try for 5 times of 692. We can get the answer here. 6 5s are 30, 9 5s are 45, 2 5s are 10. Our answer is 3460. But we can't divide because we have 3114 only. So we should try for 692 into 4. Our answer is 6 4s are 24, 9 4s are 36. This is 36. 2 4s are 08, 08. 2768. From here, we should jump 3 rods, set the quotient here. That is 4 times 2768 minus 2, 7, 6, 8. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. So our next dividend will be 3, 4, 6, 0. 0 divided by 692. Divide 34 by the first number of the divisor. 34 by 6 will be 5. So 692 into 5 we should try. 6 5s are 30, 9 5s are 45, 2 5s are 10. 10. Check the answer. 3460. 3460. From here, jump 3 rods. We have to set 5 here. Minus 3460. Our quotient is 45. Hope you are thorough with the concept well. Keep practicing. In the next session, we are going to revise what are all we have learnt so far in this level. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next session.